Sir, through the chair, most respectfully, may we ask that the mask be removed? Ayun.
Okay.
So, Ms. Ong, Mr. Chair, familiar po ba si Mr. Conanan sa inyo?
Yes po.
May you clarify po kung paano niyo po siya nakikilala?
Nakilala ko siya through one of the staff of the company.
One of the, I would assume we're not sure po kung alin na company po ito, no? Not yet.
Lucky South.
Through Lucky South. So, isang staff po. Would you care to share with us po kung sinong staff po yun? Nagpakilala sa'yo kay Mr. Dennis Conanan?
Si Shirley po.
Shirley.
I forgot yung English name niya.
So Chinese po ba? Chinese
Yes.
po siya?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm not sure if Chinese or other nationality po.
Opo. So, Ms. Ong, through this Chinese person, si Ms. Shelley, nakilala niyo po si Mr. Dennis Conanan. Can you confirm po if you have undergone any transactions with Mr. Conanan? Siya po ay tumulong po ba sa inyo through any application in any agency whatsoever?
Pwede ko i-recall ulit. I'm
Okay,
sorry
of
po,
course.
pasensya na po.
Of course, that's understandable. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po.
Mr. Chair, may I ask si Ms. Ong kung kilala niya po si Mr. De La Serna? Mr. Chair, apologies, may we ask Mr. De La Serna to stand
Yes
up?
po.
Okay, not necessary. Kilala po. Paano po ninyo kilala si Mr. De La Serna, Mr. Chair?
Attorney Harry Roque po.
Through Attorney Harry Roque.
Yes po, sa isang dinner na meron po akong meeting with Attorney Harry Roque that time. Tapos po, tinanong lang naman po ako kung pwede mag-join yung dati niyang tao po. So, syempre, wala naman pong so I said yes po.
Thank you. At Ms. Ong, Mr. Chair, yung dinner na po yan, at least between you and si Mr. Roque, business concern po yon.
Regarding po sa case po, sa company po namin.
Would it be correct to assume ito yung kaso po ng Whirlwind sa ejectment? Tama po ba?
Yes po.
Okay, thank you. And just to be clear, wala pong kinalaman, according to you, si Mr. De La Serna. Invited guest lang po siya.
Yes po.
Thank you. Mr. Chair, so paano nyo po, you've already confirmed this actually, si Mr. Duan Ren Wu. Siya po ay inyong ninong from baptism, tama po ba?
Sorry?
From ninong nyo po sa binyag?
Wala pong binyag kasi sa Chinese. So, my mother is a Chinese po. So, wala siyang binyag sa Chinese. So, no record po at all. But, si Mr. U, let's call him Mr. U or my ninong, best friend siya ng mom ko.
Best friend ng mom nyo?
Yes po.
Sorry, hindi po kasi kami, hindi po ako familiar sa culture po ng Chinese. Ano po bang ibig sabihin nun pag ninong po nyo na walang baptism? Is this just a symbolism na close po yung mom nyo and si Mr. Wu? Or
Kinuha po siya ng mom ko as my ninong.
so,
Ninong talaga
ninong,
po.
so
Yeah,
baptism?
Yeah. Wala po sa
Okay. Walang records lang po?
Yes po.
Oh, okay. Sige po. Given that, Mr. Chair, would it refresh you po if we showed you some documents po siguro ng corporations? Mr. Chair, may we ask the COMSEC to assist us in perhaps showing her these documents? I will be presenting po the GIS of Fujian Cheng Amoy Real Estate Corporation.
Comsec, a page. Can you please get the document and show it to Ms. Cassie Ong?
May please confirm po.
Habang hinihintayin natin yan.
Specifically itong page na to.
Matagal mo na bang kakilala si Mr. Dennis Conanan? Ms. Cassie Ong? Matagal mo na bang kakilala si Mr. Dennis Conanan?
Parang kakilala lang po.
So, siya ba ay empleyado ng iyong kumpanya?
Pwede.
I think kinuha siya ni Shelly.
Shelly. Who is Shelly?
I forgot his English name po eh.
So he's one of the owners,
No?
si Shelly.
No.
So ano siya? Anong role niya dyan sa kumpanya niyo?
Manager po.
Manager.
Yes
so
po.
kinuha ni Shelly si Mr. Kunanan.
Kung hindi po ako nagkakamali, yes po. Pero hindi po ako sigurado.
Okay.
Opo.
So, pero ikaw ba, nakakausap mo ba siya? Personal, nagkakausap ba kayo?
Sobrang dalang lang po.
Sobrang dalang.
As in, super dalang lang po.
So, wala bang nagkaroon ba ng pagkakataon na ikaw ay merong ibinigay na pera kay Mr. Kunanan?
Pwede pong hindi ko muna sagutin.
Okay, sige,
For privacy, I'm sorry.
Sige.
Thank you po.
Okay, thank you. Paige, please show the document, Comsec.
Yeah. Okay lang po. Maraming salamat po.
Ito yung document po dyan.
Please give it back to... please proceed with your question.
Mr. Chair, the purpose of which that I've provided that document was perhaps to refresh the memory of Ms. Ong. Ms. Ong mentioned earlier that she would prefer to have the documentary evidence be refreshed via her email or phone, but I figured that perhaps by providing the GIS and AOI, which we can certify at a later time, perhaps she would be refreshed. So I think it's sufficient that she has had the time to peruse the documents. I mean, may oras na po kayong mai-examine po yung documents?
Pwede ko po, gusto ko po kasi sigurado po ako sa lahat ng sasagutin ko dito. Kaya still update.
Understandable. Mr. Chair, but just to clarify, with after seeing the documents po, hindi pa rin po familiar yung Fujian Sheng Amoy?